Secretariat, we are entrusted with our crucial mandate.
And let's have an amazing team building event together, because everything is better when we are together.
God and team building activities. So I am pleased to...
Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Thank you. Miss you. And for those who cover today, and yes, andito ka, pero yung totoong nandito ka. I'm aware that you're not your seatmate. Hi, I'm present. Hindi dumating sa oras. Hindi yun yung nasa schedule. So let me ask you. FIR. Scheduled her, and today there is trending whenever you talk about leadership. I need your attention here, okay? Can you now check what is that one? Yeah, so what would be your one word? Please, we will do. Okay, instruction is for each statement. CED. Ano yung three CED? Chances are you are not yet okay with your own budget. This could be a waiting recognition in a week's time. Dito Amber, grabe ako magalit partner yun, that I always show, hey, Jerusalem, did you observe? Did you observe when you apply? Is it that this
Very meticulous about work. See you, Tonya.
the enemy?
Kasi she has this strong personality.
So please, I won't be, kasi we have a lot of people. Now, stay. I need you to try yung papagawa ko next. From this. Bye. Gusto ko sa doon ng 50. Meron ng stress symptoms, okay? And then, some ways malaman. And may I encourage you, the yellow symptoms